Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very simple vegetarian couscous salad bowl. So I'm going to start making my couscous. The ingredients are I'm using 1 cup of couscous, and then to flavor I'm going to use a grain of black pepper, a grain of salt, and a tablespoon of vinegar to a cup of boiling water. When making couscous, we normally use 1 cup couscous to 1 cup boiling water. I'm going to start by adding my seasoning into the boiling water. I'm going to give it a grain of black pepper, and a grain of salt, then a tablespoon of vinegar. Stir this very well. Here I have a bowl of which I'm going to put in my couscous and water to allow the couscous to swell. So add in a little bit of the couscous, and some of the boiling water, and more of the couscous, more of the water, and thereafter I'm going to place a piece of cling wrap to my bowl, and I'll allow this to stand till it swells. In the meantime, I will prepare my ingredients for the salad. While my couscous is standing to swell, I'm going to do a very straightforward vegetable for the salad. I've got my stove on moderate heat. I'm just going to add a splash of oil, very little. Here I have about a cup of frozen mixed veg. You can usually use some baby carrots or some corn or whatever you have in your fridge. To the mixed veg, I'm going to add a grain of pepper, and a grain of salt, I'm giving it a quick stir fry, but you can even steam out the vegetable. 5 minutes has passed, and as you can see, it's still nice and crunchy. So I'm going to take this off. Put it back into the bowl. I'm going to use a little splash of olive oil again. And here I have a 3/4 cup of boiled broad beans. So I'm going to give this a quick fry too. To my broad beans, I have 2 small dry chillies that I'm going to use, and half a teaspoon of mustard seed. I'll allow that to fry. As soon as the mustard seed bursts, and now I'm going to add in my broad beans and give it a 5 minutes to fry out quickly. To my broad beans, I'm going to use a grind of salt, and some pepper, I'll allow this to fry for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes has passed, and you can see how lovely the beans has been done. So I'm taking it off the frying pan, switching my stove off. Then I'm ready to assemble my salad. This beans can be eaten just like this as a snack, but you can add a little extra salt for the flavor, and this was always loved by my children. Here's my couscous that swelled up double the amount. First I'm going to start with my couscous. And just loosen it. You can see how nice and fluffy it's done. Now taking my spoon, I'm going to place this couscous in the center of my plate. The 1 cup of couscous that I made can serve up to 4 people. Now I'm going to prepare my salad ingredients for my salad bowl. Yeah, I got a few lettuce leaves which I rinsed and added dried. And then I have 2 tomatoes, of which I'm going to wedge them. I've got a pepper, and I've got cucumber, and to go with I've got lovely beetroot, and I've got feta, and then to season I'm going to use my salt and pepper. Firstly, I'm going to start up with my lettuce. I'm going to just use a few leaves, of which I'm going to tear up. And put it into the bowl on one side. Okay, then my tomato, of which I'm going to cut and wedge. Cutting up my pepper in long strips. And then my cucumber. And then I just cube the feta. Okay. Now I'm going to season my salad ingredients with salt and pepper. And now I'm going to put some lovely salad dressing to my salad ingredients. I'm also adding in my beetroot. I'm going to add in my mixed veg. And my broad beans. So here you go. My salad bowl is ready. Here you go. Your healthy couscous salad bowl. It's a nice healthy bowl. We are getting ready in the winter to have a nice summer body, and this can also be made for lunchtime boxes. All those who's going back to work and want to shed some of the fat that they had sitting at home. You can modify it by making it different with some chicken strips or tuna or avo. The imagination can run wide, but this is one healthy dish to start off with. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.